Take a ride in the 2016 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.